Artificial intelligence is a wonderfully powerful tool, but like all power tools, it's not right for every job. It can be overkill. When is AI useful? When you have lots of data, trustworthy data, when you have a very clear problem to solve, and when simpler methods just won't cut it. Here's how I want you to consider if AI is the right solution for the problem you're trying to solve. First, consider your task and your tools. If you have lots of high-quality nails to pound into place and you know right where to put them, then a pneumatic nail gun is a great choice. But if you're just hanging a picture on a wall, it's a bit much. Maybe a statistician can come up with a linear regression or a Monte Carlo simulation that will answer your question, or, in fact, an Excel spreadsheet might do the trick. Don't invest in AI when you can get the answer in an easier, more cost-effective way. Next, you need a lot of clean data. If you only have survey results from 100 people, the computer is going to generate some very confident but wrong conclusions. If you flip a coin 5 times and it comes up heads 5 times, the machine will be 100% positive that it will come up heads again. And we know that's not true. If your data is flaky, not timely, not complete, not consistent, then the classic statement garbage in, garbage out holds true big time. And finally, the problem you're trying to address has to be crystal clear. The computer is going to solve exactly the problem that you tell it to, rather than figure out what you mean. So you need to be very clear and consider the nuances in your request. If you tell the computer that you want more people to click on your ad, and you give it control over what the ads say, eventually it's going to discover that the most responsive inducing ad is bold headline that says, "We have your children, click here if you ever want to see them again." So your goal wasn't really more ad clicks. What you really want was for more people to come to your website. Actually, what you really want is for more people to buy your products. See the difference? You need to be crystal clear on what the problem is that you want the computer to solve for you. So if you have lots of clean, trustworthy data, a very clear problem to solve, and simpler methods just won't cut it, machine learning is a good fit. The interesting part is coming up with problems that we haven't tried because we haven't had this powerful tool before. Now that's a great area for study.